Hi, I'm Elshad, and I'm going to demonstrate how to sync your Stripe data to your Supabase. And we are using Codeless Sync. Codeless Sync is an app that allows you to sync your API data to any PostgreSQL. No coding required. So head to codelesssync.com and sign in. Go to your dashboard, create sync configuration, select the API that you want to sync. So we'll select Stripe, select the object that you want to sync. Customers will use. Go next. Now we'll need to set up our database. So let's first give it a name. Supabase demo project. We need a connection string, so let's find that on Supabase. So go to your dashboard, go to your project and connect, and change the method to transaction pooler. And there's a connection string, but it's not yet ready because you need to insert your DB password. So let's do that right now. And here's my my project password. So we'll just paste that here, and that connection string is now ready. And paste it in within the box. Yes, it's successfully connected. Now we'll need to connect to our Stripe API. So let's give it a name first. Stripe key. And the restricted key is, let's go to Stripe and head to dashboard. A little slow. Okay, head to developers right here. Go to API keys, and we need to create a restricted key. This is Stripe recommended method. So do that. Select providing this key to another website. Continue. And we need to give the key a name. So Codeless Sync key. Need to give it a URL. So this is just Codeless Sync URL. So we can just simply copy it from here. Paste that in. Leave this box unchecked. Create restricted key, and there it is. Just copy that and paste it in. Connect. Successfully connected, and there it is. So we just go ahead and click next. Now it wants to set up our table within Supabase, so we can just simply auto create it, so we don't have to do anything. Yep, it's successfully created. Let's go next and finish this config up. So Stripe customer sync, any name you want. Create sync configuration, and there's our config. You can find it here as well. So there's all the details. Now let's go to Supabase and see if the tables actually exist. So table editor, and there it is, Stripe customer table. As you can see, there's no data, so we'll need to sync our data to Supabase. So head back and simply click this button, sync in. There, 2 rows have been processed, and let's see, let's refresh the table, and there's our data. We have 2 customers and all the information is here. And if you want the full object, here it is in a data field. Just click on that and you have all the information of the customer. Now you can sync this manually every day if you want, or however you want, or we could set up a schedule so it will sync the latest data and we don't have to keep coming back. So one way of doing that is head back and set up our schedules. So we'll create a schedule, select the config, next, select how often you want the schedule to run. So we'll select once a day. Select the incremental, we'll do the last day. So any new data in the last 24 hours will be synced. And create schedule. There, it's created successfully, and the next schedule is in 20 hours from now. So you don't have to do anything, you don't need to come back, it does it automatically. If you got any feedback or any issues, please feel free to contact me. Otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, bye.